After learning how to perform subject heading searches in the last video, let's turn our subject heading search to the population in our sample question, infants. As before, we enter the search term in the main search box and check the Suggest Subject Headings button again. From the list of our potential subject heading terms, we can pick out the term we want to use. Look at the concept tree that infant is a part of. It falls under the broader concept of child. Nested beneath it, we can see that there are even more specific concepts. For example, infant newborn. Anytime you see a plus button to the left of your subject heading, you will want to click on it to expand and see the more specific concepts nested underneath. In the case of our sample question, the diaper rash we are studying could occur with any subpopulation of infant, including the high risk or the newborns. As a result, we may want to include in our search both the subject heading infants and all the narrower subject headings beneath it. We can do this by checking the explode box. This tells the database to retrieve results for infant and every narrower topic. If for some reason we were only interested in some of these groups, we could individually select them by clicking on the box on the left. If we were only interested in the historical aspects of infant care, we could specify that by making use of the subheadings box and clicking on the subheading History. This will retrieve only those results that have been assigned the combination Infants History. Subheading results will be narrower than subject headings and therefore produce a smaller number of results. As a default, when you search, the database will find results where that subject heading is either in the major heading field or the minor heading field. These results will show up in your search history prefixed with an MH for medical heading. If you want a more refined set of results that only retrieves papers in which your subject heading is a main focus of the paper, you can click on the major concept box, which will filter out all papers where it has been used as a minor heading. This can narrow your results too much, depending on the search, so use it wisely. When you retrieve results for major concept headings, the results will show up under the initials MM for main medical heading in your search history. From here, we will want to explore combining search terms using Boolean operators. In the next video, we will explore how.